I have a problem that I have to deal with today, and that is my screen on my RG35xxh is starting to separate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of some of my favorite adhesive, E6000. Look it up, do the research. It's like shoe goo, but better. Okay. Take off my 3D printed case that I put a bunch of silicone on the back and anti-slip on the inside. The next one, of course, is going to have some more 3D in the corners material because I don't like the way it kind of pops in. But the problem we have today is, I don't know if I was just too aggressive in working with it, but the corner of the screen, you can see there, started coming up. So what I'll do is I'm just going to use a little bit of E6000 on a toothpick. There it is. And hopefully it works. The thing is, it's not even that bad. It's literally just that corner. So I'm just going to dab it inside there. Okay. So this stuff is kind of messy. So just like when I deal with two-part epoxy, just going to put down an area to work with it on. The great thing of this, it kind of cures like a rubber, so you can scrape off the excess. Let's see if I can take any of the extra off with this. Look at that. I probably should have waited until after to do that. Alright, I'm going to come back to that later. So that's all closed up. And just because I want it to be good, I've got a low pressure clamp. And we'll just put it on the corner. And hopefully in the next 4 hours I'll take that off and life will be good for forever. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you have solutions you use when it comes to gluing screens that pop out, let me know. If you think I did something silly here, also let me know. I love to learn from my mistakes.